This is Plantopia. Braxton, Ethan, Skyler, and I made this to help you keep track of your houseplants based on which room of the house it's located in. With the rooms, you can keep track of which plants are in which room, and each plant will have routines and specifications on how to care for it. You can register to keep track of your plants, or you can sign in if you already have an account, and Ethan can go more into detail on how that works.
Yeah, so we used Devise to build out our login tools. So in the top right, here in Register, user will fill out their information. And once they log in, it will have customized greetings and such. And this way you can see all the different rooms and plants specific to the user. And so once we get in here, Skyler will be able to show us the next couple things.
All right, once we log in, we can go to our rooms page, and here we can make a room, and you can call it whatever you want, living room, and little sun, and then we have a room. You can make as many rooms as we want, and once you make a room, you can push into the room. You can edit and delete it. You can add plants to your room. You can add as many plants as you have in the room. And here you can add a picture of your plants that you take, and then you can name it, give it a species and the color of it, and there it is. And then you can push and go into to see your beautiful flower.
Nice. And then inside of each of the plants, we've made it so that you can set up a specific routine with each plant, and then you can also set it up with some specs. So if you had like a specific time that you wanted to be able to water your plant, and then a specific days of the week, let's say it doesn't require water every day, then you can go ahead and select which days when you would need to do that, and it'll give you the time in which you need to go ahead and either water them or whatever your routine would need. You can then go through and edit it. So say for example, if it like gets bigger and you need to switch it, you can also switch it, set a new time, resubmit that, and it'll update. You can also delete the routines. There's also going to be specs for each one where you can say if it's going to be indoor, outdoor, or you could even have it marked as both. This is kind of another way you can keep track of like if there is a spec chart of like how frequently you should be watering it. You could do like weekly. You can say if you do need fertilizer, you can choose like if there's like a specified amount of hours of the day in which it would need sunlight, you can try to put this here. If there was like a specified temperature, you can do temperatures, the humidity for the plants, soil pH, for alkaline. You can also do the size of the plant. You can do the date in which you planted it. And there's also like if you would need to plant it every year or every other year, pre-annual, the growth amount. If you need to prune it, it's like if it was something you had to either like pick fruit off of, or if you had to trim the branches back yearly. If there's a specific amount of time in which you would need to be able to go ahead and repot it, let's say for example, if it has like you repot it every month. And then the last thing would be, let's say if there was bugs in there, like I know roses do have like aphids, then you can go ahead and say if there's some type of bug or something you would need to worry about. You'd also be able to go in and change this just in case you had messed it up. So you always have a chance to go back and fix it. And then you can also go through and you can update this as well. So let's say if you wanted to switch it to like red rose, you can always edit it to get it updated. But pretty much that would be everything that we have inside of our app, Plantopia.